Hi there everyone, you're welcome to Trendy Styles Forever. You're watching Best DIY Mom Hairstyles for Toddlers and Little Girls. You'll find Cute Kids Hairstyles 2026. First of all, thumbs up to Mom and hairstylist Isabella Mantorona. You can check her out using her name and on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. An amazing mother and hairstylist who knows these DIY hairstyles for toddlers and teenagers as best as she can, and she's doing a great job. Learn to style your toddlers at home on your own. Of course, save money, save time, save stress. That is, if you want my honest opinion. Little girls with curly hairstyle or hair types, right here, ideas for their hair. I have a lot of questions coming in from mom, dads, requesting for a video like this, and finally this is here. We found someone that actually does a great job, and that is why we're sharing some of her content for you right here. We hope you get inspired, and of course, most importantly, if you're close to her, you can really check her out and get her to do your little toddler's hair as well, or your teenager's hair. She's doing a great job again. Welcome to the perfect channel for the best DIY mom hairstyles for toddlers and little girls. In fact, we do have lots of amazing little girls hairstyles. You should definitely check out our playlist right here on little girls and find lots of amazing ideas to inspire you into having a wonderful hairstyle for your little ones. So go right ahead right here. Discover cute and easy toddler hairstyles trending this 2026, little girl braid styles, beautiful kids protective hairstyles, DIY hairstyles for busy moms, beads, bows, and natural hair ideas. Of course, lots of amazing African kids hairstyles and cornrows. This channel shares beautiful hairstyle inspiration for moms who love creating stylish and simple hairstyles for their daughters at home. Whether you're looking for school hairstyles, birthday hair ideas, easy braid styles, natural hairstyles for kids, protective styles for toddlers, you will always find fresh hairstyle ideas right here. Subscribe now for the latest kids hairstyles 2026 and adorable little girl hair inspiration. Again, we have lots of amazing videos to help guide you into making the best choice for their next hair look. Do not forget to check out our Amazon store for products that you may find helpful and handy. Keep sharing our content with friends and family. There's always a mom out there looking to find a video like this. Do not forget to leave us that thumbs up, that like, to make and enable this video move to other eyes for other mom or other dads or whoever takes care of a little one out there to get inspiration from. Thank you so very much for watching. We hope you get the inspiration you need. You take care and bye.